Hi, I'm Richard from Vance Hines Motorsports. We recently just launched a game-changing product that we call PowerPak. PowerPak is a complete standalone engine management system that gives the user a plethora of options and tuning capabilities. Typically, to have a standalone ECU on a motorcycle like this, you need an ECU, which are typically 2, 3, or maybe even 4 times the dimensions of a stock ECU. You need a complete custom wire harness, which costs thousands of dollars. You need a place to mount all of this stuff. These motorcycles leave you no room. And then you need a guy. You need a tuner, somebody who can calibrate the ECU, somebody who can tune the motorcycle, get it running, and all that stuff. All of this holds the value of thousands of dollars. Who wants to do all of that? Nobody, right? So the common route is much more simple. Most people just keep the bike stock, run it with the stock tuner that comes with a lot of these bikes from the factory these days, or they'll buy an aftermarket piggyback tuner. Both of these options leave you with limited tunability and options. Here at Vance Hines Motorsports, we wanted to bring more to the user. More tunability specific to your application, more control, more options, and on top of all of that, bring data logging to the dirt bike world. We wanted to present this in a convenient and compact package. Compact because it mounts into your stock ECU location, convenient because it plugs into your stock wire harness, uses all your stock sensors, and to be honest, we did all the hard work for you. We've already calibrated map files for your specific models, install PowerPak, and you can go riding in just a few minutes. So what about all of these options? What are they? What do they do? Why do I need any of this fancy stuff, and how does it benefit my program? I'll answer a good bit of that in this video series. Each video will break down a different key feature in the ECU. This first video is just a simple general functionality video of the ECU.